Come test drive the 2024 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.